Hi everyone, welcome to Murthy IT. So today I am going to explain about how to write the logic for the pyramid pattern. It's like a triangle, equilateral triangle, right? So it's equilateral triangle. We need to display the pyramid. So it's nothing but pyramid. So for this, how to write the logic? So if you observe carefully, for the first star, we need to print the we need to print the here we need to print the four spaces. For second star, three spaces we need to print. After printing the star, we no need to worry about it. But before printing the star, how many spaces we need to print, we need to think about it. Okay, after printing, we need to print. After every star prints, we need to print one space. So for that, how to write the logic? So first we'll take generally one for loop. So first for loop, it to to represent the rows. For every rows, generally we take one outer loop. Then we need to print the spaces. For the spaces, I am taking one loop, one for loop. That condition, what I am putting here, condition is so n minus I means so whenever it is printing first star, right? So n value is how much we need to print again, total four rows. We need to print total four rows, right? So while printing first row, the I value is how much? 1. N value is how much? 4. So then n minus I means 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 means 3. So 4 minus 3. So it prints 3 to 1. So here at printing of the first star, it prints 3 spaces. Then after, I am taking another loop. After printing 3 spaces, I am taking another loop for printing the star. What I am writing the logic? Int k equal to 1, k less than or equal to I, k plus plus. So this is for printing the stars. So now here 3 spaces printed. How three spaces printing? So j equal to n minus. So j equal to 3, j less than or equal to 1. 3 less than or equal to 1. I am writing decrement here. So whenever j equal to 3, the first space printer. Whenever now n minus I means it will become 2, second space. Whenever it is 1, third space. This for loop will be terminated. So next for loop, what I am writing? Int k equal to 1. I am writing the condition k less than or equal to I. So I want to print I value. Currently I value is how much? Those many times I want to print the star. So currently I value is 1. So it prints only one time. After printing this first line, we need to move the cursor to the next line. Then system.out.println. Then outer loop, again it moves to the cursor to the next line. So now what will be happened? Now j equal to n minus I. Now I value is how much, sir? I value is 2. I value is 2, right? 4 minus 2. So now here print 2 spaces. After printing 2 spaces, currently is how I value is how much? 2. Now here until So now this loop prints 2 stars. Like that, all the stars will be printed with spaces. So still, if you have any doubt, I will explain. Okay, you can comment in the comment section. So let's write the programmatically how to write it. So as I explained, I am taking int n equal to 4. Int n equal to 4. So I am taking first for loop. I am taking first for loop with I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n. I less than or equal to n. Okay, next inner for loop I am taking. So this for loop for printing the only the spaces. So n minus I. So here j should be greater than or equal to 1. J should be greater than or equal to 1 always. Then here j minus minus. So keep on going down, the spaces should be less, right? That's why we are taking decrement. So sys out. Sys out. So after sys out, so in this sys out, we need to print not system dot out dot println. We need to take only system dot out dot print. So this is for taking, we are taking for the spaces. Okay. So now if we run, just it prints the spaces. These spaces you cannot see. So now I am taking another for loop. I am taking another for loop. Here I am taking like k. So k starts with 1. K less than or equal to I. K plus plus. Now system dot out dot println. Then we need to print the stars. Finally, for next line, sys out, we need to give the empty. Need to give the empty line. Now see, run as Java application. So first one, it is printing 4 stars. I mean 3 spaces. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Second one, 2 spaces. 1, 2. Third one, 1 space. Fourth one, no spaces. So if you see here, after printing every star, we need to give the space. Now it looks fine. See, this is, for example, now if we give 10, so it prints 10 rows with pyramid. 10 rows with pyramid. Okay, now it shows 10 rows with pyramid. So this is about this pyramid pattern logic. Okay. So here for the first row, again I am explaining for the first for loop for rows, for second inner loop for printing spaces, again second inner loop for printing stars, and this system.out.println for printing the next line. That's it about the pyramid pattern. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the comment section. Okay. Thank you. If you're watching first time my channel, please subscribe and share. Okay. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.